little explorers. Love the vibe. Hit like and subscribe to Bright Baby Story. Are you ready to slither into the exciting world of snakes? Today, we're going to learn all about different snake names and types. Did you know it's the longest venomous snake in the world? It can grow up to 18 feet long. They're called corn snakes because farmers often find them near cornfields. It wraps its body around branches and can stay still for hours, waiting for food to come by. Green tree pythons don't make much noise, but they can hiss softly when they're scared. These snakes have a special rattle at the end of their tail that makes a buzzing sound when they shake it. These beautiful snakes have scales that shine like a rainbow in the sunlight. They live in the water and can swim really well. Anacondas can grow up to 30 feet long. That's as long as a school bus. They don't make much noise, but they can let out a low growl when they're angry. From the big, scary king cobra to the friendly little garter snake, each one is special in its own way. Remember, even though snakes can be fascinating, it's important to be careful around them in the wild. Always ask a grown-up for help if you see a snake outside. Can you make a deep growling sound like an anaconda? They're not venomous, but they're great swimmers and can even catch fish. Rainbow boas are pretty quiet, but they might make a soft hissing sound when they're handled. Can you make a gentle hissing sound like a rainbow boa? It's their way of saying, hey, rattlesnakes come in different colors to blend in with their... Don't worry. They don't actually drink milk. They got their name because people used to think they snuck into barns to drink cow's milk. Milk snakes are harmless and come in beautiful red, black, and yellow stripes. They're pretty quiet, but might make a soft hissing sound when they're scared. Can you make a quiet hissing sound like a milk snake? Can you make a buzzing sound with your mouth like a rattlesnake's rattle? These friendly snakes are often found in gardens and parks. They come in different colors and patterns, but many have stripes running down their body. Garter snakes are great swimmers and can even live near water. They don't make much noise, but they might release a smelly musk if they feel threatened. Let's not try to imitate that sound. Can you make a quiet hissing sound like a green tree pipe? Corn snakes are great climbers and love to explore. They make a soft rattling sound with their tails when they're excited. And don't forget to practice those awesome snake sounds you learned. Keep exploring and learning about the amazing animals in our world. Ball pythons are really popular as pets because they're gentle and easy to care for. They come in lots of different patterns and colors. Ball pythons are pretty quiet, but they might make a little huffing sound when they're stressed. Can you puff out your cheeks and make a huffing sound like a ball python? Can you shake your hands to make a rattling sound like a corn snake? That's taller than 3 grown-ups standing on each other's shoulders. The king cobra makes a loud hissing sound when it's angry. Can you try to make a hissing sound like a king cobra? Hiss it. Get ready for some fun facts, cool pictures, and even snake sounds. Let's start with the king cobra. This big, scary-looking snake is actually pretty amazing. Next up is the colorful corn snake. These friendly snakes come in lots of pretty colors like red, orange, and yellow. Now, let's meet the green tree python. This snake is bright green and loves to hang out in trees. Have you ever heard of a ball python? These snakes get their name because they curl up into a tight ball when they're scared. Let's slither over to the rattlesnake. Now, here's a fun one. The rainbow boa. Let's not forget about the anaconda. These are some of the biggest snakes in the world. Here's a snake with a funny name, the milk snake. Last but not least, let's meet the garter snake.
Wow.
We've learned about so many different snakes today. Now, can you remember all the snake names we learned? Let's try to name them all together.